Welcome to Essay Writer. Ten lines essay on elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal on the earth. It is found in deep forests. Elephants are classified as Asian and African elephants. They are herbivorous. Elephants has a long nose called as trunk. It has two long teeth called tusks. It has big ears and small eyes. It is very sharp and intelligent animal. In past, it was used for battlefields. Average lifespan of an elephant is 70 years. Thanks for watching.